Hey, what's up, my friend? So, in this episode, right, I want to share with you 5 timeless trading books, right, every trader should read. Number 1, Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets by John J. Murphy. The reason why I'm recommending this book is technical analysis is a very broad field, and different trading books usually tend to focus on different aspects. Maybe some on chart patterns, some on indicators, some on price action, some on systems trading, etc. So what this book does is it's kind of like a textbook of technical analysis. It shows you, right, what are the different type of trading concepts that are out there, so you can learn a little bit of everything, kind of like a buffet, right? You can dabble in a little bit of everything, have a broad understanding of what's going on, and hey, if in future down the road you want to specialize in certain aspect, you can read other books and resources for it. But this book is more of I would say a primer to someone who is new to trading to learn more about technical analysis. This book is a broad generalization of it, and it's good for you to get started when you want to learn more about trading. Number 2, The Art and Science of Technical Analysis by Adam Grimes. So this book is actually the opposite of the first book that I've recommended, right? So this book actually goes very deep into price action, into market structure. So for example, just the topic on, let's say, trend itself, right, can take many pages. Okay, so this book really dives deep, and it's recommended for those of you who already have the understanding of the basics when it comes to technical analysis. And also, it covers stuff like, risk management and trade management and much more. So this book is for you, right, when you feel that you're ready to level up your trading, you want to take things further, deeper, then yep, The Art and Science of Technical Analysis by Adam Grimes is for you. Number 3, Market Wizards. So this shouldn't come as a surprise, right? Market Wizards by Jack Schwager. And I would recommend reading all the Market Wizard series, right? Because some covers the stock market, some is the original Market Wizard, some is the hedge fund Market Wizards. Just read all of them. And the reason for it is because it gives you, right, a broad overview, right, of how successful traders trade. There are different ways to trade the markets. You have, systematic traders, you have day traders, you have macro traders, and much more. So this book really, right, shows you the different types of trading methodologies out there. And once you find a trading methodology that resonates with you, like for me, trend following, I really resonated with that, right? I dive deep into trend following, right? I started reading other books on trend following, resources on it as well. So this book really gives you a broad overview of the different way to trade the markets, right? And once you've learned it, right, you can dive deeper through other resources available elsewhere. Number 4, Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. So this is, in essence, right, the biography of Jesse Livermore. I would say he's the most famous trader of all time. And some of the comments I've gotten is that, Jesse Livermore, well, he committed suicide, right? He's bankrupt. How can he be a good trader? Why do you want to learn from him? So here's the thing. Just because he didn't have a happy ending doesn't mean that there is no lessons that you can take away from it, right? The few lessons I took away from it is that, you don't want to over leverage yourself, right? Because it hurts you financially and mentally, right? Look at what happened to Jesse Livermore. And number 2, you always want to be trading with a plan, right? Because Jesse Livermore, in his early years of trading, he was trading without a plan. He was all over the place. But when he had a structure, when he know what stocks to buy, when to buy, right? That's where his trading really, took off like a rocket, right? And also, since he dealt with stock trading, right, one of the principles that he keep highlighting is that he likes to buy stocks that are trading at the highs, not at the lows, right? Stocks that, break out of the highs. These are the stocks that he want to be buying because these are the leaders, and these are the stocks that, tend to outperform the market. And this, I find, is true even till today. So, yeah, I find the book, Reminiscences of a Stock Operator, it's a great book. Many lessons to learn from it, what to do, and as well as, what not to do, okay? And finally, the 5th book I'm recommending is Trading in the Zone, right? So this is for you if, you're always struggling with your own trading psychology, right? So trading psychology is very personal. Different traders have different ways of coping with it, but this book kind of, break it down in a way that to let you know that, hey, the market has nothing against you, right? Whatever trading system or strategy that you trade, there is a normal distribution between your wins and losses, right? You have winning streak, you have losing streak, and really, the market doesn't know who you are, or what you want to do, right? So the market has nothing against you. So this book would help with your trading psychology, right? If, you're always struggling with it, you take things personal, you're always wondering why the market is out to get me, then hey, you need to read this book. Okay, so with that said, I have come towards the end of today's episode. If you've enjoyed it, right, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is all below, and I will talk to you soon.